Another question. This let us eliminate it. Please write down, sir. Question. 2n has 20 factors. 2n has 20 factors. 3n has 30 factors. 3n has 30 factors. 6n has how many factors? 6n has how many factors? I will do this problem in two methods. Method 1, listen carefully. Any natural number is nothing but a power of prime numbers. 2 power a, 3 power b and so on. So these is nothing but a plus 1 into b plus 1 into k. It is nothing but 20. Sorry, 2n it is given by 20, right? So I think one more a will come. This is a natural number. Next one, 2n. 2n is 2 power a plus 1 into 3 power b into 5 power c and so on. So this is a plus 2 into b plus 1 into k. It is 20. Yes, you will understand through this question. 3n is 2 power a into 3 power b plus 1 into 5 power c and so on. This is nothing but a plus 1 into b plus 2 into k. It is 30. There are only two equations here. Equation 1 and equation 2. Equation 1 and equation 2. Do equation 2 minus equation 1. Then I will tell you an alternative method. Equation 2 minus equation 1. If I do equation 2 minus equation 1, what will be the answer? What will be the answer? See here, 30 minus 20 is 10. So k common, k into, what will be remaining we will see. ab plus 2a minus a I will get. A minus b equivalent to 10. Is it clear till here? Question number 2, my equation 2 minus equation 1. K into a minus b is 10. Now we will solve this equation. Now we will solve. K into a minus b is 10. Till here I think it should be clear to you. If k into a minus b is 10, if k into a minus b is 10, this is the final equation which we got it. These are the two equations which we already have, 20 and 30. So this is nothing but, if k is 2, a minus b is 5, 2 and 5 are 10. If k is 2, what will be this equation? K will be 2 into a plus 2 into, what is b value? A minus, okay, we will substitute b. We will substitute b. K is 2 into b plus 1. B plus 1. A is b plus 5. B plus 5 plus 2. B plus 7 equivalent to 10. So b plus 7 into b plus 1 equivalent to 10. This value, no value is satisfying this question. So 2 into 5 is not possible. Check for 5 into 2. Check for 1 into 10 or check for 10 into 1. Some value it will satisfy. Some value it will satisfy. Till here, any doubt is there, please ask me. This is an advanced level question. Seems difficult, but a beautiful question to understand the value of n. To understand the value of n. To understand the value of n. This is an equation method. Method 1, very boring method. Very boring method. Shall I discuss another method? Shall I discuss method 2? Kindly reply in the live chat if this method 1 is very complicated to you. I will discuss method 2. I will discuss method 2. Should I discuss method 2? Kindly reply so that I will discuss method 2. How many of you are able to understand what is that I am doing? Any natural number is 2 power a into 3 power b into 5 power c. So these seems to be a little complicated problem. Now I will do method 2. Method 2 involves a little bit of careful understanding of max. Now see here. Method 2. Listen carefully, sir. 2n has 20 factors. 2n has 20 factors. 3n has 30 factors. 3n has 30 factors. 6n has dash factors. 6n has dash factors. Listen carefully. Solution. Till I complete, please see the screen. Step number 1. The coefficients are 2 and 3. So let me take n is 2 power a into 3 power b. I will make some necessary changes later. Why only 2 and 3? Why? Because coefficients are 2 and 3. 20 is nothing but 1 into 20. 20 is nothing but 2 into 10. 20 is nothing but 4 into 5. 4 into 5. 20 is the factor. If it is a factor, can I write this one n has like this? 2 square into 3 power 4. 2 square into 3 power 4. Why? Because if I do 2n, this will become 2 cube into 3 power 4. 4 into 5. I will get 20 answers. I will get 20. Can I do like this? Suppose next 3n will be 2 square into 3 power 5. 3 power 5. What is the factors for this number? 6 into 3. 6 into 3 is 18. But I want 30 factors. I hope it is clear. So instead of 4 into 5, I will do 5 into 4. 5 is the number of factors. So can I say n will be 2 cube into 3 cube? Why? Because 2n will become 2 power 4 into 3 cube. Yes or no? 5 into 4 is 20. 3n will become 2 cube into 3 power 4. 3n will become 2 cube into 3 power 4. So what is 2n? It has become, n is 2 cube into 3 cube. So it is 2 power 4 into 3 cube. 3n has become 2 power 3 into 3 power 4. So it is becoming 4 into 5, 20. That means my understanding of this numerical values is incorrect. I hope you are understanding what I am doing. Again I am repeating. N is 2 power a into 3 power b. 2n I require 20 factors. 20 is 1 into 20. Next is 2 into 10. Next is 4 into 5. That means to get 20 factors, I should get 4 here. So if I get 4 here, I think I will do little neatly. 2n is, now I think this time it should be clear because I went a little fast. 2n is 20 factors. 3n is 30 factors. 6n is how many factors? Solution. Coefficient of n is 2 and 3. So n is 2 power a into 3 power 4. 2n has got 20 factors. 20 factors is nothing but 1 into 20, 2 into 10 or 5 into 4. So if 2n has got 5 into 4 factors, 5 into 4 factors, 5 means the power should be 4. Am I right? After multiplying by 2, it should be 4. That means n, can I say it will be 2 cube? 4 means power of 3 should be 2. So 2n is nothing but 2 power 4 into 3 cube. 5 into 4 is 20. Are you all with me? How I got these 2 cube into 3 cube? If it is 3n, this is 2 cube into 3 power 4. 3 cube into 2 cube into 3 power 4. 4 into 5. Again I got 20. But 3n has got 30 factors. 5 into 4 is incorrect. Is it clear till now? Number should be of the form 2 power a into 3 power b. 2n has got 20 factors. 20 is nothing but 1 into 20, 2 into 10, 5 into 4. If I assume that 5 into 4 is right, 5 into 4 is right, that means it is giving you 5. If it is giving you 5, power should be 4. This power 4 is happening after multiplying by 2. That means power should be 3. Are you all with me? 2 cube into 4 is 3 cube. N is 2 cube into 3 cube. N is 2 cube into 3 cube. But that is not satisfying the condition. Let me take 4 into 5. Let me take 4 into 5. 4 is after multiplying by 2. Actually it is P1 power 3 into P2 power 4. It will be 2 cube into 3 power 4. But it is happening after doing with 2n. So n will be 2 square into 3 power 4. N square will be 2 square into 3 power 4. I hope you got the idea. I hope you got the idea. Right? Little bit of time consuming. Only thing is that you have to do little bit of jugaad here and there to understand where it is satisfying the equation. Where it is satisfying the equation. Is it clear? Is the method, are you able to digest it? Or is it a bouncer to you? If it is a bouncer to you, please let me know. If it is a bouncer to you, please let me know. I will change the question and get the answer one. Because 5 into 4 and 4 into 5 it is changed. Kindly reply in the live chat. What am I doing? Is it clear to you? Is it clear? Or is it a bouncer? If it is a bouncer, kindly reply in the live chat. Kindly reply in the live chat. So S says it is a bouncer. Other people, how many say that it is a bouncer? Mahesh says it is clear. Yes, you should not be sorry for it. If you have not understood it, write clear but long. Yes, it is. All the problems cannot be so easy. Sometimes even at Sachin Tendulkar has to go through a, right? Yes, 3n it is not satisfying. Now that is the reason this is not right. Go to the next logic and everything. Now I will create something which will work. I will create something which will work. Please write down. Balaji says it is bouncer. 2n has got 20 factors. 3n has got 18 factors. 6n will have how many factors? One more question. One more question. Coefficients of n which is changing with factors is 2 and 3. So n is 2 power a into 3 power b. This is step number 1. Listen carefully. Step number 2. Step number 2. 2n has got 20 factors. If 2n fact 20, 20 is 1 into 20, 2 into 10 and 4 into 5. 4 into 5. 4 into 5 means it is actually P1 cube into P2 power 5. Am I right? If P1 is 2, 2 is multiplied. So this will become 2 square into 3 power 4. The number, if I take 4 and 5, 2 square into 3 power 4. So that 2n will become 2 cube into 3 power 4. 5 into 4 is 20 factors. I hope it is clear. Step 2. Step 2 is 3n is 18 factors. So I am taking 4 into 5. If it is 4 into 5, P1 power 3 into P2 power 4. I hope it is clear, right? So what is the number that I got? Number is 2 square into 3 power 4. 3n is nothing but 2 square into 2 square into 2 square Where is that question? 1 minute. 2 square into 3 power 4. So 3n will become 2 square into 3 power 5. Check whether it is satisfying the condition. 6 into 3. 18 factors, it is satisfying the condition. So 6n will become 2 into n, 3 into n is 2 square into 3 power 4. So 2 power 3, 4 into 6, 24 is the answer. Please see this question again. Usha and others. Because the coefficient of 2 and 3 is changing, n is 2 power a into 3 power b. Step 2, 2n has got 20 factors. 20 it is returning. 1 into 20, 2 into 10 and 4 into 5. 4 into 5. I am taking 4 into 5. I am taking 4 into 5. If this is 4, this power has to be 3. If this is 5, this power has to be 4. But this is because of 2n. 1 power of 2 multiplied, it becomes 3. So the number will become P1 power square into P2 power 4. So this is 2 square into 3 power 4. 2 square into 3 power 4. If I do 3n, 2 square into 3 power 5, 6 into 3. 6 into 3 is 18. If it is 18, it is satisfying this condition and this condition. Satisfying this condition, 6n. 6n will become 2 into 3 into 2 square into 3 power 4. 2 power 3 into 3 power 5. 4 into 6, 24. Praveen, ఈ మొబైల్ తీసుకో, ఒక పేపర్ పెన్ ఇవ్వు. రైట్ వన్ మోర్ క్వశ్చన్, ప్లీజ్ రైట్ డౌన్ సార్. వన్ మోర్ క్వశ్చన్, ప్లీజ్ రైట్ డౌన్. ఒక పేపర్ పెన్ ఇవ్వు. వన్ మోర్ క్వశ్చన్ విల్ రైట్ డౌన్. You don't need to worry if this question is not clear to you. I can on spot create some more questions which helps you to understand it clearly. Right? Please write down one more question. One more question. Question. Two n has got. Please write down a question. ఒక పెన్ను తీసుకో. Just give me 1 minute, sir. I'll prepare a question for you. Four into 3, 12 factors. So 2n has got 2 power 4 into 5 square. 2n has got 15 factors. 2n has 15 factors. 2n has 15 factors. 5n has got 16 factors. 5n has got 16 factors. 5n has got 2n has got 15 factors, 5n has got 16 factors. Try to solve this question. 5n has got 16 factors. 5n has got 16 factors. 10n will have how many factors? 10n will have how many factors? I think with this question it should be clear to you. With this question it should be clear to you. So solution. N is changing with 2 and 5. So n will become 2 power a into 5 power b. 2n. 2n is nothing but becoming 15 factors. It is becoming 15 factors. It is 1 into 15, 3 into 5 and 5 into 3. I will take 5 into 3. If it is 5 into 3, P1 power 4 into P2 power 2. This is P1 power 4 after multiplying it by 2. After multiplying it by 2. So this will become P1 power 2 into P2 power 2. I hope it is clear. This is the number. This is the number. So let me take that number as 2 square into 5 square. So if I do 2n it will become 2 square. So these 2n has got, so 3 into 5, 5 into 3. So this will become, what is the number which I selected? 1 minute. Did I do any calculations wrong? Right. So this is nothing but, right. So this will be 2n. 2n, how much it is giving you? 2n is giving you 2 cube into 5 square. 2 cube into 5 square. 4 into 3, 12 I am getting it. 1 into 15, 3 into 5, 5 into 3. 5 means power 4. 2 is subtracted, P1 power 3. That means power should be 2. Okay. So this will be 4. So 1 minute. I am doing some calculation mistake. I will go little slowly because I cannot make students misunderstand a concept. If it is 3 into 5, if it is 5 into 3, if 2n has got 5 into 3 factors, 5 into 3 means this will be P1 power 4, this will be P2 power 2, this is P1 power 4 after getting a 2, so this will be P1 power 3 into P2 power 2. Because it is 2 and 5, n will be 2 cube into 5 square. If I take 2n, 2n is 2 power 4 into 5 square, which is nothing but 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. If I take 5n, if I take 5n, how much it will be? 2 cube into 5 cube. Yes, we got 4 4s are 16 factors. So what will be the number for this one? 2 cube into 5 square. 10n will be. 10n will be. I hope right now it should be clear to you. 10n is nothing but 2 into 5 into 2 cube into 5 square. So 2 power 4 into 5 power 3, which is 5 into 4, 20. I hope the idea is clear. Again, I am saying step by step. Please analyze this question. 2 and 5, the number of factors are changing. First step is 2 power a into 5 power b. This has got 15 factors. 1 into 15, 3 into 5, 5 into 3. I assumed that it is 5 into 3. If it satisfies the condition, then it is right. Otherwise, I will go to 3 into 5. If it is 5 into 3, 5 is there in the answer, power should be 4. Power should be 4. I hope it is clear. Power is 4. If it is 3, power is 2. This is 4 after multiplying by 2. So this has to be P1 power 3 and it is P2 power 2. So the number is 2 cube into 5 square. So 2n is satisfying the value. 2n is satisfying the value. 5n is also not satisfying the value. 2n 5n over. I hope this logic is clear. Kindly reply it in the live chat. Kindly reply it in the live chat. Praveen, ಈ phone charging bettu. Kindly reply. I hope it is clear. Now I think everybody it should be clear. I will give you 2 more questions. Please try to solve it. Please try to solve it. N equivalent to 1 minute, sir. I will create some questions for you. Please write down. 3n has 10 factors. 3n has 10 factors. 5n has 12 factors. 15n has how many factors? One more practice question for you. You solve it on your own. You should get the idea. Right? 3n has got 10 factors. You don't need to worry if something is not clear to you. Right? I can create questions on spot. 3n has 10 factors. 5n has 12 factors. 5n has 12 factors. 3n has 10 and 5n has 12 factors. Praveen, marker judava. And 15n has how many factors? Try to do it on your own with a little bit of time spending. This logic should be clear to you. First question, because it is difficult, somebody said it is a bouncer. Please try to do it. Next, n is one more question. 5n has 8 factors. 5n has, please write down, sir. 5n has 8 factors. 5n has 8 factors. 7n has 7n has 7n has. I am using my thumb, so please cooperate it. 7n has 9 factors. 7n has 9 factors. 5n has 8 factors. 7n has 9 factors. 35n has how many factors? How many factors? Try to do these take home. If it is still not clear to you, I will try to solve it. If it is still not clear to you, I will again solve it. Right? This is a very only thing, check in the multiple powers of 3 and 5. Here check it in the powers of 5 and 7. Both has got an answer. I hope these 2 examples, if you do it on your own, this will give a very clear understanding of this methodology. Next one, please write down. We are stuck in that explanation. Praveen, close the door. Next one. Where are we? This question we are done. This. Next, how many positive divisors of 960 has 6 positive divisors? Divisor is nothing but factor. 960 is nothing but 32 30s are, 2 15s are, and 3 5s are. So 960 is nothing but 2 power 5 into 2 power 1 into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1, which is nothing but 2 power 6 into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. I want 6 factors. 6 is nothing but 1 into 6 and 2 into 3 or 3 into 2 or 6 into 1. These are the 4 ways. For it to get 6, 2 power 5 can be one number. Am I right? 2 power 5. 0 to 2 power 5, it will be 6. This condition out. 2 and 3. 2 and 3 means this can be 3 power 1 into 3 power 1 into 2 square. 3 power 1 factors are 2. 2 square factors are 3. 2 into 3, it is 6. This can also be 5 power 1 into 2 square. 2 into 3, 6. 2 into 3, 6. Is there any other number that can be? Right? So, what are the cases? 2 power 5 can be a case. 3 power 1 into 2 square can be a case. 2 square into 5 power 1 can be a case. Any other cases it is possible? Power 5. 3 does not have power 5. 5 does not have any power 5. So, I should get 2 and 3. 2 and 3 means power should be 1. Power 1 is present in, right, 3 power 1 and 5 power 1. It is 3 and 2. 3 and 2 is 2 square into 3 power 1. I have already taken. So, the factors for the number 960 which has 6 positive factors are, these are all the numbers. These are all the numbers. I hope the idea is clear. 2 power 6 into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. I need 6 factors. 6 is 1 into 6. 6 means power should be 5. One case is 2 power 5. 2 into 3. 2 means answer contains 2. Power should be 1. So, there can be 3 power 1. There can be 2 power 1. 2 power 1. 3 into 2, 6 into 1. These are reverse cases. So, 2 square into 3, 2 square into 5 and 2 power 5. Total answer for this question is 3. Total answer for this question is 3. I hope the logic is clear. Idea is clear. If any calculation mistakes are there, please take it. But entire concept should be clear to you. Now please write down. Find the product of all the positive dividers. Now Srikant's doubt also will come. Product of the factors. Product of the factors. Now see here. Suppose there is a number n. The factors of 12 are, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Praveen, camera off ayindi. Right? Product of the factors is given by number power number of factors by 2. Why it is number power number of factors? This is nothing but, n is nothing but the number, n is nothing but the number, f is nothing but the factors, f is nothing but the factors. 1 into 12, 12, 2 into 6, 12, 3 into 4, 12, 3 into 4, 12. So, totally I got the answer 12 power 3 for this one answer. 12 power 3 for this one. I hope it is clear. 12 power 3. 12 power 3 which is the product of the factors. Which is the product of the factors. Now see here. Product of the factors is given by the number power number of factors by 2. Number power number of factors by 2. Suppose n is there. N is there which is 12. What 12 is nothing but 2 square into 3 power 1. 2 square into 3 power 1. What are all the odd factors for this number? Odd factors for this number is 3 power 0 and 3 power 1. Am I right? Totally how many factors I got? 2 factors I got. So, if it is, first one it is clear, right? So, is it clear? Now, 3 power 1 we got. 3 power 1 is 3 power 0, 3 power 1. So, if the first question, the Srikant's doubt, product of odd factors, product of odd factors, product of odd factors is, what is the odd number remaining? 3 power 1. Number of odd factors, how many you got? 2 divided by 2, which is 3. Which is 3. Which is nothing but 1 into 3. If you want product of odd factors, Take that odd number and do number of odd factors divided by 2. Take that odd number, divide by number of factors by 2. I will do one more example, Srikanth. It should be clear to you. It should be clear to you. N equivalent to 2 cube into 3 power 4 into 5 square. 3 power 4 into 5 square. First one, product of the factors for the number, which is nothing but 2 cube into 3 power 4 into 5 square power number of factors by 2. 4 into 5 into 3 divided by 2. Divided by 2. This is clear? Next one, product of the odd factors. Product of odd factors. What do you mean by odd factor? Odd factor is never divisible by 2. What is the number present? 3 power 4 into 5 square. Total how many factors are there? It is 15 by 2. 15 by 2. Suppose if it is product of even factors, product of even factors, product of even factors is nothing but product of factors divided by product of even factors. Product of factors divided by product of even factors. I hope this concept is clear. I will tell you why it is division here. 2 into 3 is 6. 6 by 3 is 2 here. Product of odd factors is other than multiples of 2. This is complete odd factors. So that complete odd factors power number of factors by 2. 5 into 3, 15 by 2. Srikanth, I hope the idea is clear. I hope the idea is clear. Now write down an example. Write one example, then we will do one more example, then we'll get into the problems. If n is, Praveen, if n is 2 power 7 into 3 power 8 into 5 cube into 7 square, find out the product of odd factors. Find the product of odd factors. What do you mean by product of odd factors? Take all the numbers which are only odd. 3 power 8 into 5 power 3 into 7 power 2 power number of factors by 2. 9 into 4 into 3 whole divided by 2. I hope the idea is clear. Product of odd factors. Now I will tell you why it is division for product of even factors. I hope, Srikanth, your doubt is cleared. Product of odd factors. This is product of odd factors. Product of odd factors. Product of even factors. Suppose if I take 12, the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. If I multiply all this, 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 6 into 12. These are all even factors. These are all odd factors. That is the reason product of factors is nothing but product of odd factors into product of even factors. Please make a note of it. Product of total factors is product of odd factors into product of even factors. We have discussed product of factors, product of odd factors, and product of even factors. Product of even factors. I hope it is clear. Now we will solve few questions. Find the product of all the factors of 60. So answer is nothing but Pn is number power number of factors by 2. 60 is nothing but 2 square into 3 into 5. Number is 2 square into 3 into 5. Number of factors is 3 into 2 into 2 divided by 2. So these is nothing but 60 power 6. These is nothing but 60 power 6. First one, I think it should be clear. We have already discussed it in the class. Product of factors is number power number of factors by 2. 100. 100 is 2 square into 5 square. Product of factors for 100 is 100 power 3 into 3 by 2. 100 power 9 by 2. Sir, we are getting decimal. You will get decimal because 100 factors are 1, 2, 5, 10. So 1 into 100, 100. 2 into 50, 100. 5 into 20, 100. 20, right? 20 into 500. 50 into 200. 100 into 100. 100 will come. 100 will come, right? I think I will write it like this, otherwise there might be, I'll write down the factors. I'll write down the factors. Why 100 power 9 by 2 will come? 100 factors are 1, 2, 5, 10, 20, 50 and 100. 1 into 100, 100. 2 into 50, 100. 5 into 10, 100. 5 into 10, 100. So totally 3, 6, 7. I think 4, 25 is missing. 4, 25 is 100. So it is nothing but 100 power 4 into 10 power 1. 10 is nothing but 100 power 1 by 2. So this is nothing but 100 power 9 by 2. 100 power 9 by 2. Product of factors is given by number power number of factors by 2. Number power number of factors by 2. Find the product of all the factors that are odd numbers. Answer is 3 power 7 into 5 power 10. 8 into 11 divided by 2. These is nothing but the product of odd factors. Finish. We have already done it. Next one. In how many ways can 1 billion is 9 zeros. 1 billion, 9 zeros. These is nothing but 10 power 9, which is 2 power 9 into 5 power 9. It can be written as product of two numbers such that neither of them is a multiple of 2. This should be written as a product of two numbers. Variables are not present in the question. Variables are not present in the question. If variables are not present in the question, then it is called an unordered pair. Unordered pair. Neither of them is a multiple of 10. So only one way we can write 2 power 9 into 5 power 9. 2 power 9 into 5 power 9. I cannot write it as 1 into 10 power 9 because B will become a multiple of 10. I cannot write it as 10 into 10 power 8. A and B both will become a multiple of 10. So I can write it as 5 power 9 into 2 power 9. Reverse is not allowed because if the variables are not present in the question, then it is an unordered pair. Then it is an unordered pair. I hope the idea is clear. 10 power 9 is 2 power 9 into 5 power 9. 2 power 9 into 5 power 9 or 5 power 9 into 2 power 9. 1 into 10 power 9 you cannot write it. Why? Because neither of them should be a multiple of 10. 1 into 10 power 9 you cannot write. 10 power 9 into 1 you cannot write. Remaining all powers if you take, and it is nothing but writing it as a product of two coprimes. It is writing it as product of two coprimes, half into 2 power 2. So 2 power 9 into 5 power 9. So total it is 2 power 9 into 5 power 9, 5 power 9 into 2 power 9. So only one way it is there. It is one way. I hope the idea is clear. Now these are all some beautiful concepts. Now I'll take up this question. Now see here, sir. This is the fundamentals question. See, listen carefully. Listen carefully. Previous question is answer is 1. Now see the concept. See the concept for this question. See the concept for this question. Suppose if it is 36 is there. What are the factors of 36? I will write it in the sequential order. 1 is a factor, 2 is a factor, 3 is a factor, 4 is a factor, 6 is a factor, 9 is a factor, 12 is a factor, 18 is a factor, 36 is a factor. Am I right? So 36 is nothing but 2 square into 3 square. Totally how many factors I got for this number? Number of factors I got are 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can I say that the second factor from the right is nothing but number divided by second factor from left? Am I right? 36 divided by 2, it is 18. Third factor from right, it is nothing but number divided by third factor from left. 36 divided by 3 is 12. Fourth factor from right is nothing but number divided by fourth factor from right. Please write down this point. Nth factor from right, nth factor from right is nothing but number divided by nth factor from left. Please write down this key point. Nth factor from right is nothing but number divided by nth factor from left. If the factors are written in ascending order, this is the logic. If you want the third factor from right, number divided by third factor from the left. Nth factor from the right is number divided by nth factor from left. Nth factor from left. Now listen carefully. To this question. This is a cat replica question, sir. Please read the question. I hope this concept is clear to you. Read the question. If all the factors of 800, this is 800, this is 8 into 100, this is 2 cube into 2 square into 5 square. This is nothing but 2 power 5 into 5 square. 2 power 5 into 5 square, which is nothing but 6 into 3, 18 factors. Which is nothing but 18 factors. A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A18, A17, A16, A15, A13, and so on. Am I right? Now see here. Which factor will occupy the 13th position? 13th position is this position. What is this 13th position? First, second, third, fourth, 14 is there. Fifth, sixth. Sixth position from right. Sixth position, sixth factor from right. Sixth factor from right is nothing but number divided by sixth factor from left. Sixth factor from left. I hope the concept is clear. Number is 800 divided by sixth factor. First one divides 800, 2 divides 800, 3 does not divide, 4 divides 800, 5 divides 800, 6 does not divide, 7 does not divide, 8 divides 800, 10 divides 800. Sixth factor from left is 10. 800 by 10. Answer is 80. I hope it is clear. Very interesting logic it is. 800 is 8 into 100, which is 2 cube into 2 square into 5 square. 2 power 5 into 5 square, which is 6 into 3, 18. 18 factors are written in the ascending order. If 18 factors are written in the ascending order, 13th factor is nothing but 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13. 13th factor is 6th factor. Sixth factor from the right. Sixth factor from the right is number divided by the sixth factor from the left. 800 by 10. Answer is 80. I hope this concept is clear. This concept is clear. I hope it is clear, right? Next one. Write one more question. 800 divide, instead of 800, keep 360. Keep 360. Find the 21st factor. Find the 21st factor if the factors are written in ascending order. If the factors are written in ascending order, 360 is 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. So this is 4 into 3 into 2. This is 24 factors. 24 factors. F1, F2, F3 and so on up to F22, F23, F24. 21st factor, which is nothing but 21st factor is number divided by 21st factor is fourth factor from the right. So it is nothing but n by 4, which is 360 divided by fourth factor is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 360 by 4, which is 90. I hope these concepts are clear to you. Praveen, mobile disko. I hope these concepts are clear to you. Today's class is a little bit advanced class. Advanced class. Some of the problems are at a very high level. I want you to practice it as much as possible. Right? Some of them I took the original CAT questions. Still we have another 3 to 4 models left in factors and multiples. That I think we should cover it along with reminders. The model is, I think this question you can solve it, right? Please tell the answer for this question. Tell the answer for this question. 720. 720 is 360 into 2. 360 is 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1 into 2. This is 2 power 4 into 3 square into 5 power 1. This is 5 into 3 into 2. Total 30 factors are there. 30 factors are there. F30, F29, F28, F27, F26. It is the fifth factor from the right. So answer is 720 divided by F5. F5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 will divide, 2 will divide, 3 will divide, 4 will divide, 5 will divide. 720 by 5. Answer is 144. Answer is 144. Any doubt in this concept, kindly mention. Kindly do not give it up because the problems are difficult. You should also know how to solve difficult problems. Paper at times can be tough and these problems will help you out, right? Very conceptual problems, no need to get tensed. Go step by step. Go step by step. Go step by step, you will get solution, right? I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. Now, Aishwarya says in 2n, 3n, not satisfied, then how to proceed? Then how to proceed? You have to write 20 as a product of two factors. 1 into 20, 2 into 10. There are some more ways. 1 into 20, 2 into 10, 4 into 5 and everything. I hope it is clear. Now, we have got another beautiful question, sir. 1n root n. 1, 2, 2, let me see. I think these also you can solve 68th position. These model I have to discuss. Remaining. Let me see if I missed out any questions. All these questions we have solved. Everything we have solved. Right, only 1 or 2 models are remaining, which will take 10-15 minutes. I will cover it up in again reminders class. I hope you enjoyed the tough models. I hope you enjoyed the tough models. Right, in case if you want all these videos to hit in your user ID and password, don't hesitate, don't wait for things to happen, don't wait that someone will create a miracle in your life. Your life you need to take care, right? You need to take care. In case if you love my content and you want quality questions to be discussed, and you want to practice this kind of questions through the portal, what you can do is